For this look, we want her complexion to appear flawless. For her skin type, a semi-matte finish in soft contoured cheek works well and will keep the focus on her eyes. Let's watch and see how she achieves this look. She's using a liquid semi-matte foundation and her complexion brush to apply. She's blending it nicely all over her face. Now she's applying concealer where needed. I prefer to apply my foundation first and see what it covers. I then will apply concealer only if it's needed for additional coverage. Perfect, she has done a nice job at that and is now ready to set the foundation. A translucent loose powder works well to eliminate excess sheen on the skin, and this will also help the makeup stay on longer. Great, she's using my favorite brush, the kabuki brush, to apply the powder, and now she's ready to apply the cheek color. You see here, she's sucking in her cheeks as she's applying the color, which will contour her cheekbones. Sucking in your cheeks works to find the hollows of your cheek, and for a contoured effect, that is exactly where you want to place the color. Nice, she's making sure the color is softly blended. Once again, this is a very important step. You don't want the color to look like stripes on your face. Her complexion looks great, and she did a terrific job creating a soft contoured cheek, so she's now ready for her perfect pout. The emphasis on this look is on the smoky eye, so a light nude lip works well. Let's watch her model and see how she completes the look. Notice that she's using a small amount of foundation to tone down her natural lip color. This works well to create a soft nude lip. As you see, she's applying a small amount on her lips and is blending it out. Now she's ready for a lip color. She's applying her nude lip color with a lip brush and is now ready to apply a small amount of clear gloss. She did a great job creating this look and it will be a perfect look for a summer's night out.